Welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a comforting classic dessert, savory Suji Halwa. It's soft, rich and perfect for any celebration or sweet craving. Let's begin by making sugar syrup. Take half cup sugar, 1 cup water. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder and a pinch of saffron. Mix well and let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Adding saffron not only gives color but also a beautiful floral aroma. Once done, keep the syrup aside. Now in a pan, heat 1 teaspoon ghee. Add 2 tablespoons dry fruits and roast for a minute. Keep them aside too. In the same pan, heat 1/4 cup ghee. Add half cup Suji or Semolina and start roasting on low heat. Keep stirring continuously to avoid burning. Roast until the color changes slightly and you get a nutty aroma. Now slowly pour the prepared sugar syrup. Mix well and cook on low heat. Use low heat throughout to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. Stir continuously to avoid lumps while adding the sugar syrup. Stirring occasionally until the halwa thickens and start leaving the sides of the pan. Suji is rich in iron and easy to digest. Cardamom supports digestion and adds natural fragrance. Saffron has antioxidant properties and promotes mood balance. Dry fruits like almonds and cashews add healthy fats and protein. Suji halwa is known as shira or rava kesari in different parts of India. It's often prepared during religious festivals and as a prasad in temples. The more you roast the suji, the richer the flavor becomes. Finally, add the roasted dry fruits on top. Roasting dry fruits in ghee enhances their flavors and crunch. And that's it. Rich and delicious savory Suji halwa is ready to enjoy. There you go, soft, aromatic and indulgent Suji halwa, a heartwarming treat in every bite. What's your favorite way to enjoy Suji halwa, warm or chilled? Have you ever added coconut or banana to your halwa? Comment below and let us know your twist. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies for more sweet and savory ideas.